Every choice you make has consequences. Some choices have long-term impacts on your health, education, protection, and other areas of your life. Before you make any decision, pause and think about the consequences. Ask a trusted adult, family, or community member.
Kiwe kia menina I tumutumbu kia nandoni vei susu. Sa kerei tu wambimbi, menda wakaliuda, ngauna ni nanda vei talanua wate ke irana luvenda. O irana luvenda, era ngandreva na nanda ngauna. Era ngandreva na vei wakatavlidi, era ngandreva talenga na nanda vei bandi itaki. Sa kerei wambimbi, menda no kata, me tiki ni nanda mbula na vei singa, wakamatu wale na nanda sota. Wale leitagi na mbosi tumba, wale butagi na mbosi.
सभी माता पिताओं से और जितने भी उनके परिवार के सदस्यगण हैं उनसे हम मांग कर रहे हैं कि बच्चों के साथ सही समय पर्याप्त समय बिताएं। बच्चों से हर समय बात करते रहे, उनकी बातों को अच्छी तरह से सुने और सही तरीके से उनके साथ पेश आए।
I'm pleading with all parents and guardians, please make time for your children. This may mean spending less time on other commitments such as functions, events, phones, and social media. Speak to them with love and kindness. Our children are our present and our future. They deserve our attention.
Ke wakanda ngandreva mera tumbu daki na nonde sulisoni, ira kendi susoni, mera rau kawina ka na ngono muri, ni alo binaka. Da vei taulinga tawata na nonra marroi ke na nonra tumberi. Hono lai obiti. E ngandrivi men da vei taulinga tawata ke na ke na voluti na wainganga ke na vei tobo koukou na sa reida tu na ngauna ni kua. Ni kalonga te tiko.
Dear parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and guardians, as we approach these holidays and festive season, appreciate the time you have with your children. Prioritize quality and dedicated family time with your children. Sit with them, talk to them, listen to them, spend uninterrupted quality time with them. Say yes to sports and no to drugs.